Prevalent Arts has come a long way, reaching up to over 1,400 subscribers on YouTube, thanks to tutorial videos on Affinity Designer. This has been an incredible journey, and now we want to take things a step further by changing what was a YouTube hobby into a small, profitable business. With much thanks for your interest and involvement, we now want your feedback in what you would like for products. We want to offer something that is based on our cartoon art. They could be one-page comics, t-shirts, posters, videos, or any other suggestions you may have. Please leave your feedback in the comments. Also, let us know what you enjoy about Prevalent Arts and what you feel could be improved. What do you like about the videos, the website, and etc.? We cannot guarantee all suggestions, but we will consider them. Thank you for subscribing, and we look forward to hearing your input. Have a great day.